Hi everybody. Today we are going to see how to sort a data frame in Python programming. So to do so, we'll be using a method called sort underscore values to sort the data frame. So as usual, we'll be using an import statement to import our pandas library as PD. Then we are making use of an employee data. So we are creating a data frame with employee information. So this employee data frame consists of four columns. Employee ID is the first column. Second column is employee name. Third column is age. And fourth column is sex. So this is how our employee data frame looks like with the four columns and 10 rows each. If you want to check it, we can check it by running this so that we'll get a clear understanding how our employee data frame looks like. So this is how our employee data frame looks like. Employee ID, employee name, age and sex with all the 10 rows. So there is also called one more method called shape which exactly gives you the dimension of our data frame. So let us just get the employee data frame size for our understanding. So there is a method called shape which will exactly give you, so this exactly, if you could expect, this exactly should give you a 10 rows and 4 columns, which is nothing but 10 by 4. So we'll just run it. Okay, so this is how, this is our employee data frame which we displayed, and this is exactly what we are interested, just to get an understanding. So this is the employee data frame size 10 by 4. Okay, after this, what exactly is our program is how you're going to sort this employee data frame. If you could observe the values which we are given in the employee data frame, EMP ID and EMP name anyhow are in ascending order. So we'll just try to sort this data frame by means of age column. So how we are going to do so? So we are going to do it by means of sort underscore values method. So if you could observe, this is a simple display statement after sorting how our employee data looks like. Okay. And df underscore employee is where we stored our data frame into df underscore employee. We are trying to call upon sort underscore values by, so by what means? By a column name. So which column? So it is age. So this is how we are trying to sort it out. So now if you could observe, our employee data frame with the third column age consists of zigzagged numerical values. So when you're trying to call upon sort values over this, that data frame should come under ascending order. By default, it will give you, it should give you the values in ascending order. We'll just run it out. Okay, so the till here we are done. So after our sorting, so if you could observe the data frame, how it looks like based on the ascending order of the age. So if you could observe 10, 27, 29, 32, 36, 40, 46, 48, 53, and 65. So everything got changed. Your employee ID, its respective. So wherever 10 is there, its respective row got updated. So 27 is there, so its respective row got updated. That is why your employee ID is 104 and employee name is E4 and the sex is M. Okay, so let us again see one more variant. So now if you could observe, by default we sorted the age column in ascending order. If you want to sort the age column in descending order, there is also one more addition to it. So how you're going to do is put a simple comma and ascending, you're passing an argument ascending equal to false, which means we are trying to sort the values of the age column in, we expect to sort the values of the age column in descending order. We'll just run it to check the output. Okay, so this is what is our earlier thing only, and now this is where we need to focus. So if you could observe, age is 65, 53, 48, 46, 40, 36, 32, 29, 27, and 10. So our employee data frame got changed or sorted according to the third column age in descending order. Okay,